Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today we will see like date functions like date part and datediff and dateadd. Three functions we will see in that. First one is the date part, datediff and dateadd. Okay. So these three functions we will see in this video. Okay. So guys, this is a very important. Most of the time, like interviewer will ask like from this part, like the date function part, like questions. Yeah, how to find the age of the employee, like how to find month of the employee and how to find in minute and yeah, something like. Okay, so we will cover all questions in that. Okay, so guys, I have one table. Select star from your table. I have one table, guys, and in this table, like you can see here, the event date time name is id is there, name is there, and event date time, like here the you can see the date, and this is the date time stamp. Okay, so I'm just showing you. Select time stamp, current time stamp. Okay, so I'm showing you this is the current time. So current, like the what is the current time. Okay, so today is date, and the current time is this one, and same functionality also is there. Get date, select get date. Okay, select get date. So you will see like here, select get date. So same like functionality, like the same things is giving the result. Okay, so now my question is, okay, so like if someone ask the questions ki, like I need those data which was event occur in the 2012, so how can you find it? Okay, so where event time, event date time equal to this, you will be doing this one. So that is the correct in syntax, right? Okay, that is the incorrect syntax. So how you will do that? I'm typing here the question, how to find, like find the find the employee ID which event is occurred in 2012. Okay, so in 2012 I can see here one event is occurred, but this approach is not good. Okay, so how can we do that? Okay, so we can do the select. Okay, select. So here is the date part. Okay, as I said, like this is the date part. Okay, so date part, it is part of the date. Okay, so date part, you can okay. And what year you want to extract? Okay, so year and event column name. Okay, so column name. Okay, as year, year. Okay, as year, years. Okay, you are able to, now you are able to fetch it the year only. Okay, but I need the 2012 event. Okay, so you can choose here the bracket. Okay, no worry, no worry. Okay, where equal to what, 2012. Okay, right, right. So now you can see here the 2012. Okay, okay guys. So okay, so my next question is, guys, my next question is how to find uh, the minute. Okay, find find the total minute, total month, total month, total is, total year. Okay, years, so we had get it. Okay, total years, day, total day. Okay, total day, total day and total days, total minute, total minute from current date, from current date time. So guys, my question is now how to find the current the today is this one. Okay, so today date from event is 2012. How many years? Okay, how many months? How many days, or how many week also you can consider here, week. Okay, week, total week. Okay, so how can you do that? So simple, guys, simple way. Okay, so copy it, this one first. Guys, here the date part, right? So you can do this same way. Okay, total year, total year. Okay, I'm copying this one, and only you can change here the month. Okay, and total month, this would be the total month. Okay, and the week. Okay, week, and you can get it here the week, and a day. Okay, how many day? Okay, okay guys, and minute. Okay, minute I'm taking here, minute. Minute. Okay guys, so if you run this query you will get oh, okay, don't use it, this one. Okay guys, so here you will see. Okay, thank you guys.